IVF, the process and implications. Learning content. 1. When can IVF be used? 2. Step 1. Hormones. 3. Step 2. Collection. 4. Step 3. Fertilization. 5. Step 4. Incubation. 6. Step 5. Embryo transfer. 7. Chances of success. 8. Risks of IVF. When can IVF be used? IVF can be used when a woman has blocked oviducts. There are issues with the sperm. One or both partners have a serious genetic condition, which could be passed on to the baby. When donor eggs or sperm are being used. Step 1. Hormones. The mother is given the hormones FSH and LH. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, stimulates estrogen production and the growth of egg sacs in the ovary. LH, luteinizing hormone, stimulates ovulation. Step 2. Collection. The eggs are collected from the mother and the sperm is collected from the father. Step 3. Fertilization. The eggs are fertilized by the sperm. This happens in a culture dish in a laboratory. Step 4. Incubation. The fertilized eggs are incubated until they have developed into embryos. Step 5. Embryo transfer. An embryo is inserted into the uterus, womb. Chances of success. Data shows that the success rate of IVF is higher amongst younger women. IVF isn't generally recommended for women above the age of 42, as the chances of a successful pregnancy are thought to be too low. The chances of success may be improved by maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding alcohol and smoking. Risks of IVF. IVF can have both a physical and emotional impact. With any medical procedure, there are associated risks. The risks linked to IVF include side effects such as hot flushes and headaches, ectopic pregnancies, and multiple births. IVF can also increase the chances of getting OHSS, ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome, where the ovaries overreact to the medication used in IVF.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.